Hi guys, so I'm back home and today I'm going to be doing an at-home vlog. Tomorrow is my father's kind of Thanksgiving, so there's a lot of work today. I'm going to carry you guys along, so stay tuned.
Don't let regret it, make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be God. Feel like that. Feel like, feel like that.
Now my uncle and his children just arrived and now my house is full because of the program tomorrow. Today is Saturday. I don't know when this video is going to come up, or I just want you guys to know what's up. So they brought yam for us and they brought plantains.
You should call the police. Now I even can breathe. You love me and hate me, true me and false me, make me your shining star.
You guys see my mommy, she's cooking. She's making ofo nubu with her leaves too. Sisters did pancake and they left for me. Am I not lucky? So see, my mother is done making this soup. Ofo nubu international. This meat broth. This is the tomato I'll be using to make stew now. And this one is for pounded yam. We want to pound it. Oh, basically, the house is full. I'm making this. The house is full. This is my senior sister, Ada. And this is me, your favorite girl. Okay, like I said earlier, I don't know when this video will come, but today is Saturday, 20th of November. Tomorrow is the day. The way that she's singing the best place, she comes to. Why is your voice?
journey all started from Daura, Zaria, Katsina, Abuja, finally here in Lokoja.
So you guys might be wondering, where are the other girls? So we're 5 girls and only 3 of us are at home. The 2 younger ones are in school, boarding school. Yeah, so I muted this part because they are saying a lot of things. Basically, what's going on here is that my dad is like, they are sending him, is he off or forth? How did they say it? I don't know. He wants to start his own ministry. So that's what's going on here. That's what the Thanksgiving and the prayer and everything is about. Please keep watching. Don't get bored, please.
One eternity later.
That is the highest they can pay. Are you getting that?
How did you?
If you see anyone that is collecting 12,000, it's like all this amazing place that you will use your blood to work. You go to
I can feel how I'm changing. I don't know if I'll ever go back. All the ways that you make me, build me up on the
The next day,
things I lack. I don't ever wanna lose you now. 'Cause I don't think I'll make it, hear me now. 'Cause it's you and only you. 'Cause it's you and only you. 'Cause it's you and only you.
Hi guys, so I think I'm going to be ending the vlog here. I know it's going to be very rough, but as I went home I was just very busy, a lot of work to do, so it's just there and there anyway. But hope you enjoy it, and please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.